If you want a great activity to improve your composition, try this. Take 3 photos with no people in the frame. It might actually be harder than you think, but it's a really powerful exercise. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography 1 60-second tip at a time. When you remove people from your photos, you're forced to rely on pure design with light, shadow, texture, shape, negative space and leading lines that guide the eye. People are a visual magnet. Our brains lock onto them automatically. If you take them away, you're left with the true foundations of composition. So your challenge for this one is to shoot 3 frames with no people at all. So look out for strong shadows, interesting textures, simple objects, clean geometry, and empty spaces with good balance. And this is a bit like removing the vocals from a song. Suddenly, you hear all the instruments properly. And in photography, those instruments are the elements that make a great image. If you can master this, your photographs of people will get better too, because your eye for structure becomes sharper and more deliberate. And if you want to see how this exercise fits into the full 10-minute daily visual workout, including the light study, the pattern challenge and more, watch the full video, train your eye in 10 minutes a day here, or the links below. And next week, we hit the final challenge. 1 photo where the subject doesn't matter, but the composition absolutely does. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.